Greetings YouTube world. I've got today an oval canvas. It looks round that way, but it's here. It's oval. I don't know. Whatever. It's oval, trust me. It's 40 times 50 centimeters, and I'm going to do the moon. I have white, silver, portrait pink, and a pearl black, because I didn't want pure black. I'm going to start. These are pre-mixed with 1 part paint, 1 part medium, which is this cheap PVA glue, white paper glue, and the glue is mixed 1 part glue to 1 part water. As I added this before, I'm going to add it again because it came out pretty good. I'm going to add it to the white, the portrait pink, and the black. And I did experiment on a piece of paper actually with the colours in the order that I'm going to do.